Okay, so you get your directions out and you get ready for all this. See, there's a cone down here, then there's a little thin canopy screw cover, and then the ceiling canopy. We gotta do that. Make sure you don't forget your canopy screw cover. Now, some different ones don't come with that. It comes with something slightly different, okay? So here's the first thing that needs to go down there, right? We've got this all tight. We've got these screws tight. We got the cotter pin in there. Could we cut these wires shorter? Now, yeah, we could, but I don't usually do it until I get it up there, and then I kind of make an educated guess as to how long these wires are going to go and be. Okay. Now, do you see why we had to take this? We had to take that knuckle off to do all this, right? Okay. So now we've got this little trim piece that has to go down there next. And it'll all come together for you after a while. On the bracket itself, this is going to fit on the mounting bracket. The mounting bracket has two little screws on it, and we'll talk about that after a little bit. But this has a slot on one side. You see this? It's got a slot on one side and it's got just a hole in the other. So the idea is one of the screws in this mounting bracket we're going to leave in there, and then it's going to be pooched up high enough so when we lift this up there, we just put it over the hole and then we turn it, and as we turn it, this one should be lined up exactly where the other one goes, and then I'm going to have to fish that up because I don't have very much room for that, and that gets kind of slightly tricky. Okay, I mean, if you've never done one before, even if you have done one before, it's still kind of tricky, you know. Okay, and then see, once that happens, the screw comes up far enough, and then the nib still sticks out of here for this. After you get the other screw and tighten it up here, there's threads that go all the way through, and then it stops it, and you tighten it up, and the head of this will still stick out far enough so that this, see, it's got two little areas right here and there where you got to kind of fish this up over the screw heads and then turn it, and that keeps this up there. Isn't that kind of cool how they figured that out for this particular one? I've done that on some others too, but then there's others where you just put this up and you put the screws up and that's it, and those screws have a bigger head on them, for instance. Okay, all right, so now that goes in upside down, facing up. Okay, now we get this in, and see, it doesn't go that way, it's got to go up this way, right? Okay, so now that goes like that. Okay, you see, with this extension rod, it doesn't give you much room, but it gives you just enough to get the knuckle back on. You see what I mean? Okay, and so we're pretty much ready to put the knuckle back on. And you remember kind of how I did it. It's going to be kind of tricky. You're not necessarily going to see everything. I'll raise the camera up and maybe take a shot straight down. I don't know how well you're going to see it all, but I hope you get the point how this is going to go back together. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.